What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making Instant Pot black-eyed peas. Quick and easy to do. What's up, y'all? Today we are whipping up black-eyed peas in the Instant Pot. So a lot of y'all know black-eyed peas are like dried beans. They need to cook all day, but not with the Instant Pot. A lot of people only eat black-eyed peas for the new year. Historically, they have been seen as a sign of wealth, prosperity, and good luck. And so, myself included, in my family, we always eat black-eyed peas for the new year. However, I grew up eating these for plenty of meals. This recipe only requires a handful of ingredients. You can get everything for this recipe for less than $10. So you can feed a family of 4 to 5 with just a batch of these black-eyed peas. And so I'm here to show you how to whip it up very easily in the Instant Pot. And so I have just a couple of the key ingredients here. You're only gonna need just a little other few things to give them a little bit of flavor, but this is a pound of black-eyed peas, and this 6-quart Instant Pot can hold several pounds. So if you want to cook up a large batch, that won't be a problem. And then to season them, I like to use either a smoked turkey leg or a smoked turkey wing. And so I got a turkey wing this time because sometimes the turkey legs are just too big to fit inside a 6-quart pot. So if you want to use turkey, maybe get an idea of the size of your pot versus what you're seeing in the store. This turkey leg is 1.5 pounds. And so I like to stay less than 1.5 pounds for a 6-quart pot. If you have an 8-quart pot, you can maybe go a little larger. Some other things you can season black-eyed beans with are neck bones. I know we grew up eating black-eyed peas and neck bones a lot. You can also use bacon. You can use ham hocks and stuff like that. If you're gonna use bacon, I would saute the bacon in the Instant Pot first, get some of that bacon grease in there so that you can lock in some of that good flavor. And so let's just go ahead and get started in whipping these up. So first you want to take a teaspoon of olive oil and place that in your Instant Pot on the saute function and add in 1 cup of chopped white onion, along with 3 minced garlic cloves. Go ahead and give that a good stir. And then go ahead and add in a smoked turkey leg or turkey wing, along with 1 pound of dried black-eyed peas, and be sure to rinse those black-eyed peas first. Then you want to add in 6 cups of chicken broth, and 1 teaspoon of Creole Seasoning, and then add in a bay leaf. Then go ahead and pressure cook that for 30 minutes and quick release the steam. And then if you like to serve your black-eyed peas along with the meat, go ahead and shred that meat from your turkey leg or your smoked turkey wing. You can also use something like ham hocks if you wish. And then go ahead and add that meat back to the pot. And there you have it, black-eyed peas. I like to serve this with a side of homemade cornbread.